gonna read. Come
Are
on.
you ready to read? Here.
Okay, what's that?
What's this?
Hi. Very good.
Very good.
Okay,
How
next
about
word.
this? How about this?
Very good.
Very good, Lexi. Wow, nice. How about this?
Very good.
Wow, amazing. How about this? Can you do this?
Come on.
Can you read that? Lexi? What's this? Very good! Excellent, baby, excellent. Wow, very, very smart.
What's the next word?
Here's the next word. What's this? Very good! That's my baby. That's my baby. And how about this? Can you point to your... Can you point to your... Come on. What's that? No. Very
good.
That's so smart. Wow.
Okay.
How about this? Can you touch your... No. Where's this? What part of your body is this? No. No, Lexi. Very good. That's it. Wow. And how about this?
Ears.
Ears.
Very good.
And can you touch your... Very good. Oh, yay. And
What else, Nanay?
about this. To end the show?
Very good. Okay.
Wow, okay.
Very
Flankies,
good,
flankies.
baby.
Come on, flankies.
Flying kiss.
Flankies,
Come on.
baby. Come on, flankies. She wants to read.
Okay, she wants to read more.
She wants to read.
Stop there.
Okay lang. Wag mo nang read. Let's see if she can read this.
What's that?
How about this?
What's that? I didn't see that.
Are you a baby? That's a baby. Okay, Lexi. Flying
Okay.
kiss. Come on. Flying kiss to the audience. Say bye. Bye. You don't want to read? Enough na.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Lexi.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Still want to read? Enough na, baby.
Bye.
Bye.